The 2003 MPV. The MPV, multi-purpose vehicle in a minivan manufactured by Mazda. Over 1 million MPV have been produced over the years with various drive options available. Compared with most minivans, the Mazda MPV is a sports car. It's lighter and more compact, making it more agile and easier to park, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, driver's side airbag, dual airbags, power steering, driver's side remote mirror, driver airbag, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, cruise control, climate control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.